20 Driftwood Succulent Planter Ideas for your home. Driftwood and succulent arrangements are a distinct and stylish way to bring a touch of nature into your house. Succulents are known for their low upkeep requirements, and driftwood adds a natural element that doesn't require any upkeep. Coastal Escape. Driftwood Oasis. Driftwood Bliss. Succulent Sanctuary. Driftwood Wonders. Succulent Escape. Driftwood Magic. Succulent Oasis. Driftwood Paradise. Succulent Retreat. Driftwood Delight. Succulent Seaside. Driftwood Dreams. Succulent Serenity. Coastal Charm. Boho Beach Bliss. Tropical Oasis. Desert Escape. Sea and Sand. Sandy Succulents. Read more at asucculent.com.